Today we are going to learn about mastering real-time performance monitoring dashboards. In this video, you will learn how to design and implement dashboards that provide actionable data in real time, equipping you with skills for immediate insights and proactive problem solving. Welcome to our video on mastering real-time performance monitoring dashboards. In today's fast-paced technological environment, having immediate access to actionable data is essential. Real-time dashboards enable businesses to gain insights and swiftly respond to changes, enhancing decision-making and problem-solving capabilities. Throughout this video, we will explore how to design and implement effective dashboards that provide the crucial insights you need. We will cover selecting the right tools, key metrics to include, design principles for a user-friendly interface, configuring alerts for critical thresholds, and integrating dashboards with existing infrastructure. By the end of this session, you will have the skills to create intuitive and reliable dashboards that support your business objectives. Real-time data is information that is delivered immediately after collection without any delay. In the context of performance monitoring, real-time data allows businesses to have a dynamic view of their operations, enabling them to respond swiftly to changes and make informed decisions. The importance of real-time data lies in its ability to provide immediate insights, allowing for enhanced decision-making and proactive problem-solving. Businesses can monitor critical metrics such as system health, user engagement, or financial transactions as they happen, which helps in maintaining operational efficiency and competitiveness. Real-time data is particularly beneficial in sectors like finance, healthcare, and IT where timely information is crucial. However, implementing real-time data monitoring comes with challenges, such as ensuring data accuracy, managing large volumes of data, and maintaining system performance. Understanding these aspects is vital for leveraging the full potential of real-time performance monitoring dashboards. Choosing the appropriate tools and technologies is crucial for creating effective real-time performance monitoring dashboards. The selection process should be guided by several criteria, including integration capabilities, scalability, user-friendliness, and cost. Popular tools such as Tableau, Power BI, and Grafana offer robust features for data visualization and integration. Each tool has its own strengths. For instance, Tableau is known for its advanced visual analytics, Power BI for its ease of use within Microsoft environments, and Grafana for its flexibility in IT monitoring. Integration with existing IT infrastructure is essential to ensure seamless data flow and operational consistency. Additionally, the tools should be scalable to accommodate growing data needs and flexible enough to adapt to changing business requirements. Cost is another important factor. While some tools might have higher upfront costs, they could offer better long-term value through enhanced features and capabilities. Carefully evaluating these aspects will help in selecting the right tools that align with your dashboard objectives. To create effective real-time performance monitoring dashboards, it is crucial to identify and include key metrics that align with your business goals. These metrics should provide insights that help in evaluating performance and making informed decisions. Start by identifying critical metrics that are directly linked to your business objectives. For example, in the IT sector, you might focus on server uptime, response times, and error rates, whereas in retail, sales trends and customer engagement might be more relevant. It's important to strike a balance between providing detailed data and offering an overview that is easy to comprehend. Overloading the dashboard with too much information can lead to confusion and hinder decision-making. Customization is key. Tailor your dashboard to meet specific business needs and regularly evaluate the relevance of the metrics included. As business objectives evolve, so too should the metrics being monitored to ensure they continue to provide valuable insights. An intuitive user interface is key to ensuring that your real-time performance monitoring dashboard is effective and user-friendly. The design should prioritize clarity and simplicity, allowing users to quickly understand the information presented. Consistency in design elements such as fonts, colors, and layout helps in creating a cohesive and professional-looking dashboard. The use of color and typography should be strategic. Colors can be used to highlight important data points, while typography should ensure readability. Responsive design is also vital, particularly if the dashboard will be accessed on different devices. It should automatically adjust to provide an optimal viewing experience regardless of screen size. Ultimately, the design should be user-centric, taking into consideration the needs and preferences of those who will be using the dashboard. Conducting user testing and gathering feedback can help in refining the design to better meet user expectations and enhance usability.
Configuring alerts is an essential feature of real-time performance monitoring dashboards, enabling businesses to respond promptly to critical performance issues. Alerts serve as a notification mechanism, signaling when specific thresholds are breached. It is important to set appropriate thresholds that align with business priorities and risk tolerance levels. Consider the potential impact of different scenarios and configure alerts that provide timely warnings without causing unnecessary distractions. Notification channels should be chosen based on what will be most effective for the team, whether that's email, SMS, or in-app notifications. However, it is crucial to avoid alert fatigue, which can occur when users are overwhelmed with too many alerts, causing them to be ignored. To mitigate this, prioritize critical alerts and ensure that they are actionable. Regularly review and adjust alert configurations to ensure they remain relevant and effective as business needs and conditions change.
Data accuracy and reliability are crucial for the effectiveness of real-time performance monitoring dashboards. Accurate data ensures that the insights drawn are valid and actionable. Implement data validation techniques to verify the integrity of the data being fed into the dashboard. This could involve checks for data completeness, consistency, and correctness. Reliability is equally important, as users need to trust that the data presented is current and dependable. Implement error handling mechanisms to quickly identify and rectify any issues that may arise in data feeds. Regular data audits can help in identifying anomalies and ensuring ongoing data quality. Leveraging automation can streamline these processes, reducing the risk of human error and enhancing efficiency. By focusing on data accuracy and reliability, you can ensure that your dashboard provides a solid foundation for decision-making and performance evaluation. Integrating real-time performance monitoring dashboards with existing IT infrastructure can enhance operational efficiency and data consistency. Seamless integration allows for a continuous flow of data from various sources, enabling comprehensive monitoring and analysis. It is important to ensure compatibility between the dashboard platform and existing data sources, which may involve using APIs for efficient data exchange. APIs enable the dashboard to communicate with other systems, pulling in data as needed. Security is a critical consideration. Ensure that data privacy and protection measures are in place to safeguard sensitive information during integration. Ongoing maintenance is also necessary to accommodate changes in IT infrastructure and ensure that data continues to flow smoothly. Regular updates and testing can help in maintaining the integrity of the integration, ensuring that the dashboard remains a reliable tool for performance monitoring. Maintaining and updating real-time performance monitoring dashboards is essential to ensure they remain relevant and effective. Regular updates and checks are necessary to keep the dashboard aligned with current business objectives and data sources. Periodically review the dashboard configuration and contents to ensure accuracy and relevance. Incorporate user feedback to identify areas for improvement. Users can provide valuable insights into how the dashboard is being used and any challenges they face. Monitoring dashboard performance is important to ensure it is functioning as intended and providing timely insights. As business needs evolve, the dashboard should be adapted to reflect these changes, whether that involves adding new metrics or updating existing ones. Documentation and training are also key components of maintenance, ensuring that users are well informed about dashboard features and how to utilize them effectively. By following these best practices, you can ensure that your dashboard remains a powerful tool for real-time performance monitoring.
In conclusion, mastering real-time performance monitoring dashboards involves understanding the role of real-time data, selecting the right tools, identifying key metrics, and designing an intuitive user interface. Configuring alerts, ensuring data accuracy, integrating with existing IT infrastructure, and maintaining the dashboard are critical steps in the implementation process. Continuous improvement is essential, as business needs and technologies evolve over time. By effectively implementing your dashboard, you empower your organization with the tools needed for informed decision-making and proactive problem-solving. Thank you for joining us in this learning journey. We invite you to explore further resources to deepen your understanding and enhance your skills.